So I'm using a medium worsted yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot. I will chain 2. 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. You should get 12 stitches. Join to the beginning stitch. Now we'll start the single crochet. So chain 1, in the first stitch 2 single crochet, in the next stitch 1 single crochet, in the following stitch 2 single crochet, and in the next one 1 single crochet. I will alternate 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch until the end of the round. So to keep the circle flat. Should be 18 stitches. And join. Again increase, chain 1, 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches now, and we repeat 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And the last single crochet in the 2 stitches and join. So in every round the single crochet in the stitches will increase by 1. We'll start always with a chain 1 and 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Now in this round I will make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and the next round it will be 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and the following round will be 1 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. I will continue the same till round 12. So I will continue the rounds and I'll come back to show you what to do next. Please refer to the written pattern in my blog. You'll find the link in the description box so you can follow properly with the video. It is a very easy pattern to make and it's perfect for summer. So I have finished 12 rounds here, and as you can see, the circle, the round has expanded. So this was round 12, and it is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the 10 stitches. So that's how it expands. Now what I'm gonna do, from round 13 to 27, I'm gonna work 1 single crochet in every stitch. So no more 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, is only 1 single crochet in every stitch to shape the hat initially, to turn it initially into a beanie. So just 1 single crochet from row 13 to row 27. I will finish till row 27, then I'll come back to show you how to shape the brim for the bucket hat. So I am done with the single crochet rounds. This is row 27 completed, and now I will start row 28, which is 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and I will repeat 2 single crochet in 1 stitch and 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. You can put a stitch marker here, or you can just count when you come back to this line, the round, the circle line initially, to know where to stop. So 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. This is round 28. Repeat 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches, and that will shape the brim of the bucket hat. And here I'm at the end of my round. Okay, so now for the next 9 rounds, from round 29 to 38, I'm gonna only single crochet in every stitch. Just as simple as single crochet, nothing else, for 9 rounds. And then I'll fasten off. I will come back to show you the final result and how the bucket hat looks like. So I'm done with the bucket hat. I finished the 9 rows which were single crochet, and I added, which is optional, a slip stitch rounds around the bucket hat just to give it a nice shape. You can make it, or you can leave it as it is with a single crochet. And this is the final look of the bucket hat. Nice and easy to achieve, perfect for summer and for this time of the year. I hope you like it and you find it useful. Don't forget to check the written pattern. The link will be in the description box. And if you have any questions, as always, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. Just one thing before I go. So if you want, this should be between a medium to small size, because I have used the medium worsted yarn with 5mm crochet hook. So if you want a bigger size, you can use 6mm crochet hook or 6.5. If you want even bigger, you can go one size up with a crochet hook. And same way, if you want smaller and more rigid look of the bucket hat, you use 4.5 to 4mm crochet hook. So this is an easy way to shape the bucket hat according to how big or small you want it. Bye bye.